Oh, hello there, ladies. I'm so glad you could be here with me tonight. If you're looking for excitement, stimulating conversation, and a replacement father figure, you have certainly come to the right place. I enjoy talking with beautiful women long into the night, exotic knitwear, waiting for celebrities outside of their homes, and videotaping vintage episodes of Mallard's Millions. I will cook ravioli for you, take numerous selfies of us on a mini break, a day trip, on holiday in Paris, visit your parents, enjoy their company. I'll place the toilet seat back to its default down position every time, forever and ever, always down, always for you.